Are you paying extra money unknowingly? Many people buy products every day without checking the price carefully. Sometimes we end up paying more than we should. Let's understand MRP in a very simple way so this never happens again. What is this price written on every product? When you go to a shop, every packet has a printed price. That printed price is not random, it has a meaning. That is called MRP. MRP equal maximum retail price. MRP means the highest price a shopkeeper is allowed to charge you. You may see different shops selling the same product, but they cannot go above this limit. Cannot charge more than MRP but can charge less. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine a noodles packet. If the MRP written is 20 rupees, the shopkeeper must follow that price rule. If he asks 25 rupees, that is not correct. You should only pay 20 rupees. Another very common example is water bottles. You might buy them in shops, buses, or hotels. But the rule is the same everywhere. If MRP is printed, the price should not go above it. Now here is an important point. MRP is not the fixed selling price. It is only the maximum limit. For example, if MRP is 100 rupees, a shop can sell it for 80 rupees or 90 rupees. That is completely allowed. So let's remember this very simple rule. If you are paying less than MRP or equal to MRP, it is fine. But if someone asks more than MRP, it is wrong. Always check the price before paying. This small habit can save your money. Every packed product must show MRP. This is done to protect customers from unfair pricing. So whether it is a shop, supermarket, or small store, you should always check the MRP on the packet. So now you understand what MRP means. It is a simple rule but very important in daily life. If you follow this, you will never overpay for products. Be a smart buyer. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like and share the video. Subscribe for more simple finance and daily life topics.